Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
What up?
We are still waiting for two more people to join.
Who's gonna be the host for tonight?
I am the host.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Dima.
I'm just trying to sort out my camera quickly, and then I'll be
Okay.
cool. How you going?
All good, all good. I think we're still waiting for one more person and then we can start like properly.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Boris, we can hear you.
Cool.
Where is your camera, man?
No camera this morning.
No
It's
camera.
Monday.
Okay. That's a shame. I wanted to see you.
I might be in Dubai soon.
Oh, that's amazing. That's a great news. Tell me when it's your time to come to Dubai,
I'll
visit
let
the
you know.
office.
Yeah.
Well, whenever I'm invited, I'll be there.
Okay, I will put the good word. Okay. Actually, guys, it's my first time streaming since 2.5 years, by the way. I'm super excited and stressed in the same time, so I hope everyone's gonna go easy on me.
No pressure.
Been a long time. Yo, Demon, nice hat.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Looks good, man.
Yeah.
How is everything with you? All good? We miss you in the office.
How's the office here? Quiet.
Huh? No, not at all. A lot of
Oh, really?
things is happening. Good things. Thank God.
Oh, that's
Okay,
cool.
I think we can slowly start. Are you guys ready to start on it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'm ready.
For everyone who don't know, so let's start with. Hi everyone, I'm Monica MK from CoinW. I'm really excited to be the host to this live stream today. And I believe everyone will be focused on the market changes with all eyes on Trump, right? He will be integrated as the president of United States in just a few hours and is expected to introduce a series of pro-crypto policies. Additionally, the token after him, named after him, saw a surge yesterday. So I would like to invite our amazing streamers, guests to discuss the Trump token and the potential impact his action could have on the market. The live stream is broadcast on CoinW live channel and CoinW YouTube channel in the same time. So all of you guys are welcome to watch and leave your opinions, questions, comments about coins, markets, anything really in the comment, and our amazing guests will pick up some of the answers. So let's start with introducing our amazing speakers. You guys can, drop a cute little note, cute little introduction about yourself. So we can start with Dylan.
How's it, guys? Yeah, I'm pretty sure most of the people that watch know all of us already. But yeah, been trading for CoinW for just over 2.5 years, 2 years, and I have been trading crypto for around about 3 to 4 years. And yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm quite excited to look at the market because a lot of things are happening, a lot of volatility. So yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Happy to have you, Dylan. We know each other for quite a time now, so
Yeah.
Jake, give us a little quick introduction. Jay, can you hear us?
Me? Is
Yeah.
it me? Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry.
Jake,
I was
please.
chatting. I was chatting. So what up, guys? I'm Jay. Yeah, I've been trading like for a while. So you, I mean, like since last year, I've been joining you guys. So here we are, 2025. I hope we can get the up season soon. Let's see. So how about the others? Boris, Amy?
Yeah, Tammy, Boris. Let's start with Tammy.
Okay, hi everyone. I am Tammy from CoinW. I recently joined in December actually. So I have been trading for quite some time, usually for derivative companies, but I'm excited now to get into more of the crypto scene, especially now that there are so many exciting changes. I think even though we've also got the Trump inauguration, and that's the big key thing, we've also got the World Economic Forum. So there are big events today. We see markets are really happy about that, especially crypto. So yeah, I'm excited to see what unfolds in a few hours' time.
And Boris. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a pretty interesting weekend for trading the crypto markets. There's been a lot of volatility, a lot of activity. We kind of have a one in a lifetime event happening with the Trump inauguration. So yeah, it's been a lot of movements in the markets. Some like take profits have been triggered, stop losses have been triggered. I have to update the groups. I have a lot of work to do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. And I feel like Joseph just joined perfectly for the introduction.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Joseph, and so good to be here, Boris. I just hurried in. I got something to do, but I just needed to just meet up with the live stream. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. We are thrilled to have you all here with us today. So let's move to market review. I bet it's your favorite part as a traders. So in this part, we would like our traders to share your market insight on any crypto tokens you want to talk about. It would be great if you could share some tokens that might benefit from Trump's policies after he takes office. Feel free also to show us the charts. So we can start with Dylan.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm just going to share my screen. Here we go. Okay, I've shared it. I'm just waiting for. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I first want to speak about Bitcoin, obviously, and then we'll go to like the altcoins, and then we'll speak about obviously USDT dominance and Bitcoin dominance. But first of all, yeah, Bitcoin on the daily time frame. I did speak about this in the Telegram community today, and yeah, basically, if we do look at Bitcoin on the daily, we can see that we are respecting this. Sorry, there's a noise in the background. Oh, there we go. We are respecting this value area high at around about 100,000, 101,000. And basically, we didn't close below that level, right? So if price closed below that level within today, then I would have probably looked for more downside. But you can see price was respecting this trend line as well. And we respected this value area high. Okay, so that was a signal that there was potential for upside. And then obviously we did get a massive pump this morning going, obviously due to the news of Trump. But yeah, it's quite interesting right now. The market is obviously very volatile, so just watch out if you are trading futures in terms of high leverage, because that's what's kind of happening right now. And you can see with the liquidations as well. Within 24 hours, there has been 1 billion liquidations. So just be careful. You know, right now the market wants to trap you out. So just watch out for that. If we do look at the lower time frames, we can see that Bitcoin is still holding that level at around about 105,000. I am actually looking for a little bit more downside, I'll be honest with you. The reason why I am is because we did actually break below this key support at around about 107,100. And if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we actually created a top wick respecting this level, which is what you want to look at for sells, right? So basically, if you're looking for sells, what I look for is I'll wait for price to create a top wick, because essentially you want to see price grab liquidity in order for price to get pushed down. So you can see that we created a top wick, we tapped the support / resistance, and yeah, I do think that we are going to come down for Bitcoin. I'm looking at a target of around about 103,300. That is your 4 hour high. But yeah, we could come even lower depending if we do break that level. You can see that this is the level that I'm looking at, 103,300 potentially for Bitcoin. So yeah, lower time frames. I mean, Bitcoin's still holding. There's nothing really to be worried about. I mean, we're above 100K. Once we start losing like around about 103,000, I do think that we can come lower. But if we stay above here, we could be fine. But yeah, looks like we are going to come down. And then yeah, I want to speak about what's happening with USDT dominance quickly, because if we have a look at USDT dominance, we always have to look at USDT dominance because it shows the inverse proportion with crypto. So you can see that if we look at USDT dominance, we are still holding that key level at around about our marker on the chart, 3.81%. Okay, so the problem is for crypto right now is that we have to close below this level in order for price to continue going up for crypto. And you can see that price is getting rejected from the zone multiple times, right? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days of price tapping the support over here. So it's a very strong level. Obviously, we all know that the more we touch it, the weaker it gets. So eventually this is going to roll over and then we're going to get a massive pump within the markets. But until then, we can't really do much. So yeah, what I'm waiting for crypto is I want to see USDT dominance actually break this level. I want to see USDT dominance break this 3.81%. We break that, and then we look for longs in the market. So yeah, right now we are respecting that zone. So I'm not really interested in looking for longs right now. I'd only really look for longs if we can actually hold and actually break below that level. So it's a very strong level, guys. 3.81%. If I was you, I would mark that on your chart and just wait and see once we break that. What else have we got? We've got, let me have a look at some other coins here. Pepe. Let's have a look at Pepe because I did actually get into a long with Pepe. Yes. There we go. Yeah, so if we look at Pepe quickly, let's have a look at the daily. So most coins, guys, have come back down to like their key levels. Okay, so if we look at Pepe on the daily time frame, sorry, a little bit choppy, my stuff over here. Let's just remove this, just so it's a little bit easier to see. But essentially, Pepe came back down to this high over here. So we are respecting this level. You can see that yesterday we didn't close below, we closed respecting. So as long as price stays stays above this level, respecting the previous high, I do think that Pepe could be in position to continue higher. I did actually get some more on spots here because I do think that this is a good level to accumulate. Obviously, we can go lower, but this is a nice level. You can see on the daily time frame as well. Respecting this level is what you want to see. Okay, so as long as we respect that level, we should be okay for Pepe. Yeah, so that's something that I'm looking at right now. Obviously, we did get a bit of a dump, but looking like we could potentially bounce from this level. So I'll keep an eye out for Pepe. And then one last coin before we jump into some other people. Jupiter actually looks quite good. Jupiter does actually look quite good. If we look at the daily, let's go to the daily quickly. So yeah, if you look at the daily, this is I think a typical like Boris setup in terms of the 50-day moving average. As long as we hold this 50-day moving average, we should see continuation to the upside. So what we need to see is we need to see price. Obviously, we need to wait 10 hours here. We need to wait 10 hours for the daily candle to close. And if price closes respecting this moving average, this 50-day moving average, then I do think Jupiter could have it at the next leg to the upside, right? Because Jupiter had a really big pump 2 days ago, and it's obviously retracing back down to these key levels. So just watch out for Jupiter. I do think that this is a good level to look at for potential long. And yeah, looks really good for Jupiter. Yeah. So that's pretty much all I've got for today. And then obviously we'll speak about the Trump token just now. I don't really want to go do analysis for now. I think we're going to speak about it later. But yeah, thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you, Dylan. Let's move on to Jay. Which tokens are you looking for? What are the tokens that we might benefit from the Trump's policies?
Same like last week. I was aiming on channeling. Give me a sec. I think I need my ice cream, Dylan. On channeling. Give me a sec. Whoops.
I think
Share
that's
my screen, please.
Boris's charts. Yeah.
Oh,
There we
okay.
go.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. My bad. I have to switch my screen. Give me a second.
Oh, sorry.
Because
Yeah.
the my bad. Okay. Okay, can you guys see me? Okay,
Yeah.
share my screen, please. Oh shit,
Yeah.
really? Oh, my bad. Sorry. I look like a noob. Okay, here we go. So, this is the one that I aiming so bad, GRT. So this is AI. Why? Because this is weekly time frame. We got a falling wage, and this broke, and then like made in first head and shoulder here. But this is still projection, guys. This is still projection. I mean, like, can you guys wonder like if this thing like just complete the right shoulder, yeah, just complete the right shoulder is only 90%, and then like if you take from down to up and then like combo it from here, how many percent you got from here to here? So don't sleep on this. I'm long in this. I'm still bullish. I'm not gonna short. Fuck short. I'm not gonna short. And then like I still got links from last week, so I need my ice cream, Dylan. Give me give me some ice cream for channeling.
Oh yeah. I took that setup.
We almost
I'm still
got
in it.
stop loss on Sunday. Almost security here. Almost got stop loss. And then like right now, it's kind of dangerous. I mean like on channeling, it kind of made a projection on head and shoulder, but I think we will be okay because we complete the ABC correction. So what is ABC after the ABC correction? First wave, if we go up and then maybe retrace for the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So that's for links. What else do I got today? This one. It. I'm aiming it always it because if you guys want to trigger off season, it have to perform ABC correction, same like channeling. It just the problem on it. This is the bottom right of the full moon market session. Okay, this is the full moon bottom. If you guys can see it, and exactly the C. And then like we've been struggling to break this area, guys. We've been struggling, you know, false break, and then if we can close above this yellow line, I think it can perform better, and then like it also need to try to break this thing. But in my eyes, I think this thing can be same chart as Sling, so it's going to be like bam, 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 and like this. So let's see. let's see, because it is kind of slow, but after the break of the falling wedge, you need to retrace. So if you got the retrace 618 or 0.5, maybe it could complete the right shoulder and then like combo it to the upside. And same about this, we got stellar lumens XLM, same. This is on the daily. I took it long today. I got some from here, some from here, and it's still not break. It's complete, but it just lack of volumes. Look at this, just lack of volume. That's why like it's kind of lagging. It's kind of lagging right now. This volume is bigger and it's still bigger, but it's lack of volume. So when this thing break, XLM complete the head and shoulder, the infrared head and shoulder. So if my target correctly from here to here, and bam. So it's lot of just like this, guys. Similar, so many. I mean, like if you success one, you can do another. You can do on in the other chart. I mean, like the one that's similar, like laying, it XLM right now, and Lido also doing the same thing. Lido, but the problem on Lido, it's still not make the lower low in here. You just make a double but doesn't mean like the ABC is going to be complete. But let's see, guys. Yeah, let's see. But Lido is kind of have a huge. I'm gonna turn off my indicator. So Lido is kind of have a huge projection of get this bam. So this is the bottom, and you guys. So that's for me today, guys. I think Dylan is already taking some for BTC, but okay. Oh, one last time BTC. I'm not. Yeah. I kind of agree with Dylan. We can hit the resistance. So right now, this is the low, top, maybe as high as 112. Where is the liquidity right now? Let me check the liquidity right now. So you guys can see where is the liquidity on the coin right now. Where's the heat map? This is daily. Do we got any here? Okay, we still got. Oh, they took it. They took it. They took it on the daily. And do we still got any? Yeah, we still got any right here. 112 385. But this is, I think, maybe after we hit this and we can get some retracement. I don't know. Who knows? But on the weekly, we still got one in here. But on the 4 hour, I think we don't have any more on the upside. So more likely, like, we still got 118, and we still got below and below. But I don't think we're gonna come to this because, like, yeah, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. But let's see. Let's see what happened tonight. But don't sleep on the coins that been screwed up by SEC. What else? What's which coin that been screwed by SEC? I got the list. A ton, EOS. So I mean, like, who knows? Like Trump get into the office and then like get against his fire. You know, who knows? So yeah, that's for me today. Thanks, guys.
No, I mean it's happening. He is getting fired.
Yeah. So
Okay, thank you.
that's why, guys, aiming the coins that been screwed by SEC. So I mean, like they're gonna perform. I think. Cheers.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Jay. Joseph, what's your take on that? Joseph, would you like to show us your charts, your coins that you are looking on right now? Okay, we can come back to Joseph later. How about Tammy?
Okay, awesome. Just give me a second.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't get that. So sorry. The network got broken at some point. Yeah, but I think.
Okay, Joseph,
Alright,
do you want to
yeah.
go?
So sorry
Either
about
way.
that. So yeah, I can go on now. I can go now.
Okay, go on then, Joseph.
Okay. Let me share my screen, please. Okay. Yeah, can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So thank you so much. That was an amazing one there, Jay. So for me, I've actually been looking at some, opportunity regarding this particular token here. That's the Fuel USDT. Right. I actually took some entry last week, somewhere around here, and the market ranged and took me out, because of the crash that happened with the BTC. Point is literally giving like another buy opportunity. All right, so I'm still watching to enter the market. Okay. If I go down to the 4 hours, I see that there's an order block right here at 4.25 thereabouts. Okay, that's yet to be filled. So I'm still watching that the market will fill this order block, then we will proceed to the upside. And if possible, I see and I feel this buy side liquidity here might be taken out before we push to the upside. That's for this particular pair. Yeah, I actually got out at this point, so I'm hoping to enter somewhere around 3.2, 3.5 thereabouts. And for BTC, I'm still positive that there's going to be some sort of retracement down to somewhere around 100K before probably giving a push, depending on the fundamentals that is going to happen definitely after Trump inauguration. Yeah, so that's going to make a significant impact. If the fundamental is positive, obviously we are going to push up continuously from this place because we are already up 105 already. Okay, taking out this liquidity that was pending at 108, 106 thereabouts. All right. My target is at, all right, that's my target for 116. But if the fundamental is not positive, or probably there's not much pressure because the market have actually witnessed some pressure, buy pressure since Wednesday of last week. From Wednesday, we've been pushing up, and the market has been giving significant push to the upside. So I feel market might fall down to probably retest this region or probably come to this other block at this region, right? Might probably come down to this level, then probably continue to the upside. So for now, I'm still waiting to see what will play out within today and tomorrow to see exactly what's happening. Because on the larger, you can see that market has actually broken this structure and retested it one time. All right. So there's tendency that it might continue to the upside, and there's every probability that we might have to retest the resistance that was broken right here. We might retest it again and before pushing upward. All right. The major pair that I've been waiting to, to literally, I actually missed an entry. It was it's fine. All right. Let me, okay, this it's fine right here. I was actually waiting to get an opportunity at 1.70 thereabouts, but market came and took out liquidity that the support at the support here. It took liquidity on this side. Let me indicate. Okay. Just a second, please. Oh, just a second, yeah. Oh, I think my network is kind of slow, but I think I'll continue. All right, so we are back, yeah. So I actually have two positions right here. The first one, the liquidity got grabbed at 1.695. All right. So personally, I'm waiting that because there's some sort of imbalance right here that's yet to be filled at this range, yeah, the imbalance at this level. All right, I'm still waiting for it to be filled, and if possible, I expect market to probably drop a little bit below, then probably pick my entry at 1.514. All right, but if not, if there's a break of structure to the upside, and I see that okay, market take out this resistance, the resistance at 2.185, 185 thereabouts, I might just be waiting to look for a long opportunity to enter the market. All right. I think I've closed my trade on Solana already. I closed my trade on Solana yesterday because of the major pullback that we had. So for now, basically, I'm watching at BTC at 58 FEA, USDT, and the FEA. All right. These are the major three tokens I'm watching for the moment. And for other pairs, I would want to see the fundamental that will play out within this week. All right. Then I'll possibly see more opportunity in the markets to long on. All right. So that's that from my end. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, thank you, Joseph. Tammy, it's your turn finally.
Thanks, guys. Okay, let me share my screen quick. So I'm not going to go through like Bitcoin and everything too much since it's obviously been touched on. Let me just. Can you see my screen? Okay,
Yes,
so
yes, we can.
basically, so I mean, if we just look at the market in their entirety, you know, this inauguration is obviously a very big key event, especially for crypto and for a variety of other industries. But I think, as I was saying earlier in the introduction, I think something that we are actually overlooking has also been the World Economic Forum. And to me, like a big key event there will be the AI. Obviously, because now it's becoming more mainstream, and we've definitely seen that linkage between crypto and AI because they both playing a major role, or they're expected to play a major role in our future and in all aspects. So with AI coins, they're not really performing, you know, relatively well. But if you look at the mainstream, we've obviously had another, you know, record high for several markets. So we see that markets are still very like, let's go to futures. Markets are still very optimistic, but I think with the inauguration, we're obviously going to be focusing on the policies. Whether that happens now, where we get changes in policies immediately, I'm not too sure. We know that Trump policies with regards to tariffs and that are, you know, they're definitely on the agenda. But I think a lot of the markets have already priced in the fact that we've seen such a big surge and we've seen like their future adoption. So a lot of that's been priced in, which, you know, if we just look at Bitcoin, we can see from that gap. So I'm going to look at the 4 hour just briefly and the 1 hour. So with regards to November 11, we got the results on the 6th of November to say that Trump was going to be the next president, and we saw that surge. So that gap, that breakaway gap, obviously, you know, that was the repricing of fundamentals. And then we've seen, you know, like the others have said, this is a mainstream event. And we've just seen, you know, volatility and everything just rip higher. With regards to the levels, just quickly for Bitcoin, and then I'll show you what I'm looking for. So if we look on Friday and Saturday, or Friday, we saw that gap lower. And this was obviously after, you know, we had that pullback, but prices went below 90,000. That was a key level of support I was looking at. But, you know, we could see there was a very swift reaction from bulls and prices just ripped higher again. Now we saw that break lower here, but we saw how quickly it also got filled. And, you know, today on the 1 hour time frame, we can see, you know, basically earlier on there was that massive surge, and now prices have stabilized. Whether I think, you know, at the moment, as I said, I will be monitoring both those events very, very cautiously with regards to the inauguration, but at the same time, what policymakers in Davos also say with regards to crypto and AI at the World Economic Forum. So I do think there's definitely other factors in play. One thing I am looking at is coins like Ripple. And these are really going to, now that, you know, there's the changes in cabinet and everything, and we've got the future adoption, we've definitely seen those prices rally, and it's now taken out that 2018 high. Where am I going here? Sorry. I just want to go there. So that 2018 high was, you know, previous, it was 3.317. So I used that because until it was violated, that was my key Fibonacci. So I'll quickly go through the monthly and then we can just work with this chart. So if we see here, as I said, you know, that was the 3.317. And then with regards to the SEC and all those politics and everything, we obviously saw a lot of pressure on Ripple until, you know, we got the Trump, the elections and everything. And now that they won their case, it also spurs the future adoption, especially in the banking industry. So Ripple has definitely been one of the tokens I have been monitoring for a very long time now, especially with regards to Bitcoin. We do have that limited supply. This blockchain is designed for banks, and that's what's been, you know, supporting the upside. So today, yes, we have seen, I mean, prices are up nearly 11%. And currently, we can see that there are still that, even though we've had so much upside potential, we have to now realize how much more potential can there be in the short run. But like holistically, I think we are also going to touch on those new coins, the Trump coin, the Melania. So we have seen just throughout markets, especially with regards to cryptos, there's a lot more optimism. We've seen the market cap is going like higher towards that 4 trillion. So there's a lot of things that are supporting crypto. As I said, though, Trump policies, there is a lot that it's going to be a very high impact event. At the same time, in Davos, if we also get, you know, things about regulations around crypto or the deregulations, that can also support further upside. So that's what I'm watching at or looking at the moment. And then I think, to me, it was yesterday also seeing that surge, you know, when the Trump coin was listed, to see how markets or meme coins just went crazy again. Today we see Melania, that coin, doing the same thing. So I think it's definitely exciting time, but I think it's also a very dangerous time because markets can easily go either direction, depending on what gets mentioned at both of these events throughout the day. And also following on, it's not only for today, I think this week as a whole, we're going to see a lot of those repricings and a lot more volatility, or at least that's my expectation.
Absolutely. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you so much. Boris, you are up next. I think you are mute, by the way. Boris, I think you are mute. Yeah.
Can you hear me now? You see?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Bitcoin daily chart since I'm more of a swing trader, but yeah, Bitcoin looks very good. But I really agree with what Tammy said. It's Inauguration Day, so it's not happening until I think 12 noon Eastern time or 1 p.m. Eastern. But if Bitcoin can close a daily candle above, what is it, like 105 or 106, then I don't know. It's probably going to go to 125 or 150. I mean, yeah, it looks good so far, but we still have a lot of time before the inauguration. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they'll try to assassinate him and then they'll push the price down. Hope that doesn't happen. That'll ruin all of our crypto portfolios. But yeah, a lot of the altcoins are going up. Like Algo's up 15%, Aave up like 10%. Yeah, I'm just looking up here. It's only like 8:30 a.m. or 8:40. So, Wall Street isn't open yet. So you guys probably have a better idea of what's happening than me. But yeah, I think this is bullish overall for crypto. Today's, I guess, I don't like to get political, but like I think today's event is bullish for crypto.
Okay. Is that's okay? Thank you, Boris.
Yeah, if you have any chart requests, let me know. Like that's my analysis.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. So you guys did mention Trump and Melania coin, so I would like to move to the discussion part. I have a couple of questions for you guys. Get some opinions from the specialists, which is you, right? And so I would like to dive into the next part of the live stream, and let's start with the first question. So Trump official reached a market cap of 85 billions, right, shortly after its launch. What factors contribute to this rapid raise? Does it have the potential to surpass Dogecoin as the new leader in the meme coin space? Like, what's your opinion? What's your ideas? Who wants to start? Boris, I see you smiling. I know you want to start.
I think it's it's a scam. That's what I think.
Okay.
Yeah, Trump is very known for doing money schemes, which is cool. I like doing these things as well. Just looking at the 1 hour chart, or even the 15, you can see it's in a downtrend. So I think the Trump family is in possession of most of the Trump tokens. So, and I've had family ask me, "Is this a good time to invest in Trump?" I'm like, "No, just invest in companies you actually believe in, or crypto tokens you believe in." So my advice is, as always, just invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, whatever projects you believe in.
Yeah, I also agree with Boris. I think it's just like manipulation. I do think it's good. I do think it's good for long-term crypto because it'll get Web 2 people into Web 3. But in terms of short-term, it's actually going to wreck a lot of people because a lot of people will invest into Trump and Melania coin, and the people that don't know what's happening with crypto, they're all going to get destroyed. While most of the people, like the whales, will just dump on them. So. I think it's also a bit of a scam. I think it's good for in terms of long-term crypto, like I said, but short-term it's not really good for retail.
Yeah, I think it's might be a good gamble. Just risk a small percentage of your portfolio. Don't go all in.
Yeah.
That's
actually.
Yeah.
Actually, that's great that you guys are saying it, because I wanted to invest, and I literally woke up almost crying because I slept over the hype of it. So I guess it's good I didn't. Tammy, Jay, what's your take on that?
I agree with the guys. Fucking scam. Fuck shit coin. Fuck shitcoin. I mean, like this is fucking said this is gonna go zero. I mean, like I don't know, guys. I hate casino, guys. Really, just play the coins that I mean, like the one that get have utility. I mean, like meme coins, shit coin. Really, guys. Just I mean, like you're just playing a low class cap, you know, a low class. I mean, don't be a low class player, guys. Come on, be the high class. Play Bitcoin, play Soul. No, no, guys, no. I'm not. Don't buy this shit. I mean, like Melanie something. Ah, I prefer like Dylan, like with the Pepe. I mean, like even like meme, but it's a high class meme, guys. It's a high class meme, but
Yeah.
this is a low class meme. Really, what the fuck? I mean, like just buy like Weave or Myro. What else? What else do we got? Shiba, Doge. That's high class, guys. Don't be the low class cheap ass. Come on. All right.
Yeah, I think also like with Trump and Melania, if you didn't really have insider trading or like any insider advice, like you're probably gonna lose. You know what I mean? Like if you look at the chart now, it doesn't really look too great. So yeah, I think a lot of people are just FOMOing, and especially I think it's really bad for Web 2 people coming into Web 3, because I mean I think a lot of Web 2 people came and bought this token, and now they're probably like down 50 to 70%. You know what I mean? So like I
Yeah.
think it's a bit of a scam. Yeah. Same with Jay. Just invest in like projects and Boris. Invest in projects that you actually believe in. Meme coins. I mean, you can invest in meme coins, but like just put like 1 to 2% of your balance into it.
Kami, what's your opinion?
No, I agree 100%. I think, with regards, and I've said this several times before, with regards to Dogecoin, we saw like it also initially it was pretty much a joke, and then as soon as Musk promoted it, we saw how it also surged. But like the guys have been saying, we have to look at, to me, the value of a coin lies on the blockchain and its ability, or what problems is it going to, or what solutions is it going to give us in finance. There's nothing backing it. It's not decentralized finance. It's not a blockchain. It's literally just associated with the name. So there, once again, what's this actual fundamental value? It doesn't have any. And with regards to meme coins, to actually, well, this is my personal opinion. Yes, I agree. You can risk a certain percentage if you did, but I would also, to me, especially when there's high leverage and things are, so volatile. Today we see Trump coin is now down 33.35%. But if you were looking at it yesterday, it was going, crazy. Melania's up 28.9%. But we need to see who's actually backing it. It's not institutions, it's not hedge funds, it's retailers. And that's when retailers are, and it's technical analysis, it's psychology, it's everything. The retailers aren't the smart money. So with regards to meme coins, definitely, I think there might be like a little bit, well, a place of it in terms of speculation, but to me, it doesn't have long-term longevity.
Okay, so based on your answers, I guess it's not a new potential to surpass Dogecoin as a new leader for the meme coin space. So let's say, in your opinion, the buyers, it's most just here for the quick flip, right? Like, what's the community vibe right now?
I don't think we see any. I mean, like if you compare like the community with the Dots community, Shiba, and the Pepe community, I mean, like it's nothing. Just like the hype with the Trumps for today. I mean, like, and I was talking last week. I mean, like, what happened when Trump doing some shit during the presidential? I mean, like he talked some shit, and then like, it's easy to get crashed for that coin. I mean, like Trump doing another scandal or what Boris said. I mean, like maybe he got shot today. I don't know. That coin will will crash to zero. I mean, like it's too risky, guys. Too risky. I mean, like if shit happened to Trump, Nah, that's bad. So for the community, I don't think it's good enough. It's bigger. For the meme coin, I think the best community is Pepe. Just Pepe. I mean, like that's for community. That's all I have.
Yeah, I agree with Jay 100%.
Boris, no comment on that?
You don't play meme
Yeah.
coin.
I like Pepe because Pepe is very correlated to Trump, to the Trump token. So I do like Pepe token. And then, yeah, just like a very yeah, it's like a once in a lifetime event that like Trump is becoming president. He's very pro crypto. So who knows what bills he's gonna sign? There's some executive orders about crypto that he's gonna sign. Nobody knows what it is, but yeah, it's not like I don't think it's a good idea to be trading right now. Like if you are trading, just use the lower risk. That's what I'm doing. I'm just using very low risk. I'm not trading much. So yeah, that's my ideas.
Okay. So it's Trump is still on the spotlight, right? So what do you think will happen once the spotlights fade? Are we supposed to see the complete massive dump, or is there any chance it's gonna rally even harder? Like, what's your guess?
I'm pretty sure, I'm not too sure if you guys know, but I'm pretty sure Trump is out of his token, like 100%. He sold all of his tokens. So, yeah, that's what I read. So, I mean, it's just, I mean, once the hype goes away, I think a lot of people just start selling off, and it'll start to just look like this. It'll just slowly decline.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's not a good investment, like at all.
Yeah.
Most of it, they're gonna do like a Christmas tree. Remember the Christmas tree?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, the Christmas tree. I mean, like the Christmas tree truck. And then like,
yeah.
it's always happen, guys. It's always happen.
But I think for me, it's also like you need to look at the influential ability. And like Boris said, I also think like it is a very, very dangerous time to trade, because so much is just, we've seen it several times before when there's just a tweet or just one announcement, and you see, Trump's also got a reputation for triggering these kind of frenzies. And we saw it in 2016 with, when he became the 45th president. So I think it is those influential abilities. We are looking at those executive orders, but I do think that he might not, we don't know that if there's going to be any executive orders with regards to crypto, immediately released, or what those timeframes are. So to me, when it comes to like guessing at the moment, as I said, I'll be definitely monitoring that event like a hawk. So yeah, it's at 5:00 GMT. So it's in a few hours, but specifically with regards to also trade wars, tariffs, we're going to see a lot of things. We've also got TikTok at the moment. So geopolitics and just the political background at the moment, sentiment is very high, but there's a lot at risk. So I agree with Boris and, Jay, with the guys. At the moment, I'm very much, I think, being risk averse is probably the best decision.
Okay, yeah. I absolutely agree to that, and now I'm really happy that I didn't vote it. So again, we're going back to Melania. Do you think it's like it was created to compete with Trump coin, or is it supposed to be like a powerful duo? And do you think it signals like more celebrities launching the coins, like what we're gonna see?
I mean, to look at it, all you have to, when Dylan said it is like market manipulation, because just look at it at the timing, so in my opinion, it's okay. Yes, they made a lot of money very quickly, but there's nothing for them. They were holding the coins, and I think there is definitely the risk of, that pump and dump, and we already seen that with the Trump coin. And it just so happens that Melania gets, not even 24 hours later, Melania coin gets listed. So I think with regards to the timing and that, to me, yeah, I'm not riding that train.
I mean, yeah, I agree with Tammy. It's the same as Trump coin. I mean, it's basically the same thing. It's just his wife. So, yeah, I don't know. Like, I just think it's. I mean, this is what most like. It's like the Hawk Tour coin. It's similar to that. Like people.
Fuck that bitch, man.
Yeah, it's all these
Hawk Tour,
influences.
really?
Yeah, like all these influences that have a lot of power with the market. Obviously, they just want to make it quick. I think Trump made like over $500 million from the Trump token. So, yeah, it was just probably he just wanted to make money from it. So I think it's just a scam. I think you can try like invest. Maybe it might just like reach the high again, then come back down. But I mean, I don't think you want to put a whole bunch of money into it. Just put like a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with Dylan and Tammy about Melania and Trump in terms of their tokens. Yeah, just the money, like a money grabbing scheme. Like I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart on Melania. It's like in the downtrend, so I wouldn't recommend anyone to invest in this project. I mean, what does it do really, Melania or Trump? So, yeah, I agree with Dylan.
Jay, what's your take?
Same answer.
Same answer. Do you guys think we can expect Barlow?
You wanna make me like cursing again? I mean, like fucking same answer. I mean, like, but it's same shit coins, stupid shit coin. I mean, like, bot scam, bot just pump them down. I mean, like, I can see it when the name is scam pop up and like, what the fuck, Melania? Really? What happened with what happened with crypto right now? I mean, like, when someone like happening and then like the name is pop up and then the coin is pop up and then like it pump and then like the next 1 month is nothing. So it's always happened, guys. Like the last time we got Iggy, we got Kendall General. That who is that? Who is that, Boris? The convention that. Who is that? The Jenner's coin. Kylie Jenner or something. Like, I don't know about that, but so many like scam coin like that, So just don't buy, guys. I'm halic with meme coin happening right now. I mean, like, if you guys want to gamble, just go to Vegas or just go to Macau, Singapore. I mean, like,
that's the best advice. Go to Vegas. Yeah.
I mean, like,
but I
don't gamble like the local shit. Yeah.
But I do think that I agree with, I think it was Dylan that said, like, I think this is really, it's not good for the crypto reputation because everyone, now people see, okay, Bitcoin, if you look at the value, yes, it surged. So for a normal retailer, it's become unaffordable. And that's what happens when whales and institutions come in. Retailers get wiped out. And especially with regards to the deregulation. And my biggest thing is we've seen how Trump, how Elon Musk, how they move markets. And especially now with them coming into power, it's like skeptical, or I think that's a very big threat if they're having this much say in cryptos, and we see that the retailers are getting impacted. What's the probability of another like FTX collapse or something like this, where retailers do get wiped out? And I think, especially when Trump is, where you've got Trump coins and then Trump, coming into power, it's definitely conflict of interest. And with regards, we're expecting more deregulation. So I think, to me, I'm also cautious at, okay, what is the, like, because we've seen such rallies or extreme rallies since November, it's just, okay, how much more, like, can we sustain it? And who, if the same politics are benefiting from crypto, then obviously, and from deregulations, it's like, what's going to be the knock-on effect? Because that is insider trading. But when those people are the ones in power, it's pretty much, who do they report to? And I think that's where, with especially meme coins, and especially just seeing how markets have been, that optimism, to me, it is a very big warning.
I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna agree with you, Tammy. I mean, like from my past experience, the retail is always playing that hype at that time, and then when the real thing come, like the big caps, they're gonna be late. They're gonna like, we already like bought lower, and they're just gonna buy higher, and then like when we sold it kind of high, they're not solid. So this is a cycle, guys. They're just the foot. I mean, like, sorry for the retail like that, but you guys, if you guys playing like that, you guys just gonna be the foot for us. I mean, like when when we sell, you guys still keep it. I mean, like, so just focus in the main chart. I mean, like in the main coins, as Bitcoin and all those top 100 or 200. I mean, just this, not including that shit coin. I know that shit coin is top 100 right now. I mean, like, not including that shit coin. So just buy the one that have utility. I mean, like, we got a lot, guys. We got so much. I've been around since cycle 1. I mean, like, right now I'm also headache because we got AI, we got gaming, we got NFT, we got decentralized finance, and then we got DeFi. So much, guys. Why you guys just buy the low class meme? So that's why pick the go one.
Okay,
Yeah,
and we actually, Boris?
Yeah, I agree with actually what Jay said, because I already do have like family members asking me, should I invest in Trump token? And I actually had to answer them because, I want to give a good answer, but my answer was going to be just invest in companies or projects that you believe in. Forget about these meme tokens. They're just memes. Just people don't understand what memes are, but memes could have potential. That's the thing. It's like Doge had huge upside in the last 3 to 4 years, as well as like SHIB. So some memes can have potential, some are just going to go to zero. So it's just you consider your risk, your whether you're gambling or if you're actually trading. So it just depends on the individual's perspective.
Okay, so it's a big no from our experts.
For me, it's a no.
Trump and Melania.
Yeah, no.
And we are probably waiting for a Baron coin, no?
For what coin?
Or maybe they will skip it.
I'm probably gonna make my own coin, Boris coin. Very soon.
I will buy Boris coin.
Yeah, everyone should buy.
I'm gonna.
Sorry.
Yeah, should
No,
be
I was sorry, Raggy.
And an MK coin as well.
To the moon, MK coin.
Yeah.
But
No, if you buy my coin, I'm gonna rock you like right away. If I make coin, I'm gonna rock right away. I'm just gonna take all the money. I'm just gonna rock. Go ahead, Emily. Go ahead.
But personally, like, I am going to be looking at something like Doge tonight. Also, so even though, like Boris said, yes, some meme coins I do think, do have potential, and it depends who is backed by. When it's Elon Musk and now the Department of Government Efficiency, it's like, okay, now to also change those blockchains, though, is a lot of work. So I will be looking at how those meme coins react, tonight, and following them. But long-term potential, Still skeptical, although Doge I still have a bit of faith in, but it's not going to be like the majority of my portfolio. At least not for now. We'll see what Musk says, and then I might change my mind.
Okay, thank you guys. I do have last question. So everyone, like the market believes that Trump will introduce a series of crypto-friendly policies, right? So in your opinion, like, could this create an opportunity for the altcoin season? Like, considering his upcoming 4 years, right? Could Bitcoin break its usual cycle and experience a long-term bull market similar to the US stock market? Like, where your mind is on that subject?
I think I can
Yeah, I
answer your
think.
question. Oh,
Yeah,
go
go
ahead.
ahead.
No, you. It's okay. It's okay.
For me, my perspective is still the news event because this has been kind of like priced into the market since Trump's speech in Bitcoin National back in goes July or August. So yeah, I think everything's like pretty much priced in. So I'm leaning towards like a market, like not a crash, but maybe we're gonna see a dump back to like 90, 80, maybe 75K, or even 70 back to the previous all-time highs, and then we'll see what happens from there. Yeah, I'm not really investing in anything right now. I'm in all cash right now. If that helps anybody.
Cami, Jay, your takes on that?
Go ahead, Amy. You can go first.
Yeah, I think I agree with Boris. I also think a lot it has been priced in. So at the moment, it's okay. I agree. Stick with the ones that you know and the ones that have potential. Because if we do see those changes in policy, even with the deregulation, like to me, it's okay. Bitcoin, once that 21 million supply is reached, okay, what comes next? So it's more things like that I'm monitoring. More to do with what the future is going to be and what potential coins, can pretty much cover that gap once Bitcoin's 21 million supply is done. So I think, the policies will be, I think, what he says tonight is going to matter. But a lot of it has been priced in, and we've seen it being priced in since November already. So, I think what's more, there's more risk for the downside in terms of if maybe those policies aren't going to be rolled out as pretty much as urgently as some people may anticipate. And I think so the downside risk, there's a lot more downside risk at the moment, than upside potential, especially because those pro policies are already priced in. So I'll be looking at what happens if there's, things that actually might go against crypto, at least in the short run. So still bullish crypto, but I think, those comments are going to move markets tonight.
So you say
Yes,
I
they're
should
gonna move market.
watch his speech, right? And in the same time hold the exchange and just wait.
No, actually, after this, I'm
anything.
gonna live in the next 15 minutes. We're gonna trading it actually because you know what happened on the inside the market. News tend to be like an excuse for a retailer and trader to open position, and then like when the news good, people are gonna long. When the news bad, people are gonna short. So that's why I'm gonna trade it. But I don't. I'm agree with the guys with the Bitcoin is uh kind of topping out right now, but actually the one that's still not topping out is it. It's it is ETF right now. Did you guys think like it is performing like Bitcoin when Bitcoin does got approved by ETF? For me, it is still like an undervalue, but so that's why like I've been reminding you guys for over a month. The one that trigger alt season is it. So that's why like if it's not performing, we don't have alt season. So that's why like watch closely around 3,003,999. If we can break one more time for today and daily close, and tomorrow we can get a retest around here, maybe it can be bounced. So if it can trigger, so because the why it, because so many like it ecosystem, even Pepe is on it. Even Pepe is ERC20, so that's why like it perform, so many gonna perform. So that's gonna trigger like retail. Oh, okay, screw meme coin. We're gonna like play the big caps. Let's say play OP, Lido, something like that. Arbitrum, Pepe. But right now we're gonna see. Actually, we don't need Bitcoin to be honest. Bitcoin is too much pump. Bitcoin Solana is already pump over the weekend, so that's why like the one that's still not pump over the top three of it. XRP is did really good things. XRP, SLM, bar. So that's why like the one that's still not perform is only it. That's for me.
Joseph, would you like to take a take on this question? I can repeat the question for you.
Yeah, I got the question and so much of contribution there. All right. One
Okay,
thing
go
I'll
for
say
it.
yeah, is that for Trump and the whole narrative right now, I think it's not going to last. All right. So, and excuse me. And one thing I would say is that, if you're into portfolio management, personal portfolio management, and the likes, all right, I know that you would want to go for the money. All right. So, I feel for low risk investment, you could just do some memes like at its comp. I actually got into Trump, and yesterday I got into the other one. All right. So, but I'm already out. Already, I'm out already. So, just for the cool cash and just get out. Like Jay said, it's actually gambling. All right. So that is that. And for now, I think we've got like Ethereum has actually been pending, and the ecosystem has actually been holding on. I feel that the before February thereabout, personally based on my analysis, I'm anticipating that the market will start rebouncing and getting major ecosystem and volume coming inside the market. All right. So that's that. And also, I think with what just happened with Trump pump and the narrative right away, a lot of liquidity is actually out of majority of the meme token. All right. A lot of liquidity is out of the majority of the meme token. I think with how the narrative tends to end, we will know if we are going to rebound with a lot of volume coming back from next week, or will this be sustainable? I don't know. So for now, I feel we should just watch out for what the market holds. Then we'll make our decision based on that. All right. So that's my take on that. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else, guys? Do you want to add something?
Yeah,
No, I'm
pretty
good.
much agree with everyone else. This is not a good time to be investing in crypto, or yeah, there's just too much politics with the Trump inauguration. Who knows what executive policies he's gonna bring in? So, I'll just wait. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the big projects are a good investment. Uh, probably some of the meme coins are as well. Probably Doge is a good investment, but everything else is just a gamble, in my opinion. It's my opinion.
Okay, great. And I think Dylan got disconnected. I'm not sure if he's gonna join, but I'm pretty sure he will agree with you as well on that. So with the last question, we come to an end, guys. I know you already feel sad that we have to end. We had amazing discussion going on, so so I just wanted to thank you all for joining us today. I bet today's live stream is very important for our audience. under this bull market. So be sure to keep eye on CoinW and our guests, of course. Follow them on Twitter accounts as they will continue to share their insight on the world of crypto. As for the traders, thank you for joining the stream today. So stay safe, take care, and watch out for the market, right? Good luck with your trading. Overall, I would like to thank everyone for joining this discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks
guys.
for hosting.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.